How to create Kaiser Permanent account. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to create your Kaiser Permanent account. So first of all, let's go to the preferred web browser. Then navigate to the official website of healthy.kaiserpermanent.org. Now here you can simply see register and sign in option available at the top right. Now since we are creating a new account, so tap on the register option available there and navigate to the registering section. So once you tap on the register, scroll down and there you'll get to see create my account and create a caregiver account. Select create my account if you are registering for yourself or caregiver if you are choosing a caregiver account. So now here you will have to enter your membership information. Provide your medical record number found on your Kaiser Permanent ID card, name, date of birth, and reason. After you fill up all these informations available here, you'll have to review and agree to the site's terms to proceed. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.